Hoover Air Pro wind tunnel brush roll is not working. This is a common problem with these Hoover Air Pros, and I found out what the problem is. There's a little bitty switch down in here. You can't see it, I'm in the way, but it's right in here, one screw, little silver finger on it. You want to take that out and replace it with a new one. They're right here. They're micro switches. They run, you can find them on eBay pretty cheap, $1 a piece or so, and get yourself a solder gun and solder two wires, connect to it and solder it together and put it in, and it worked like it was brand new. Never had problems again. The brush roll is working perfectly. Quick fix, 15-20 minutes if that. 5 screws to take out. This top piece right here, this fits right down in here, and put it together and good to go. Thanks for watching.